Okay, now I'm going to work on the formulas and details that need to go into the performers or events sheet. So obviously I need to add in some artists or events that are going to happen. So I might need, let's say a computer rental, and we're going to say that's going to be $1,000. Power, 200. Cleaning, 500. Security, 300. So I'm going to estimate those. So you might need to go onto the internet, try and find some prices for these different things that you're going to need to have for your main actual event. So these are the core activities to do with the main features of the events. Unlike these activities, which are sort of stalls or extra things you're having that run alongside your main event. Okay, so I've estimated them. I'm going to use the total, so I'm actually going to use the auto sum feature, and then I need to make sure I highlight all the values that are going to be added up. Now to get the average, I'm going to go more functions. I can type in what I'm looking for, so if I want to try and find the average, do that, and it gives me all the average functions. I'm just going to use the default standard one, and I want to average those rows there. Make sure you don't include the total. Now, then we do the same for the minimum cost. Note it's highlighting the wrong numbers, so make sure I just change that, highlight the correct ones, and then do the same. Maximum, no, want those numbers. And there are our performance sheets completed.